schedule and what song you preferred, and then sino yung gusto nila makakolab. Every week po yan, starting July 20th. So every week expect a different tandem, collab with ng mga bagong artista and singers. No reason naman. We just thought of Thursday. Kasi we usually have an online feature already. Like for weekend, we have the spotlight. And then we have this second, parang mala TV online programming na for singers and artists. Yes. Not the usual coverage of our events. So it's a different thing. Okay, thanks, John. Our next question is from Mau.
Hello po! Question ko lang for Gray.
Yes!
Yes, for Gray.
Maroon siya.
Gray, kasi ikaw so far yung nasa first batch na galing sa group talaga. So, anong mangyayari after this? Anong feeling mo na ngayon, kumbaga? Probably naman kasi may ka-collab ka sa magiging vid mo or video mo. Anong thoughts na mag-isa?
Siyempre po, it's a new experience kasi from a group, and to be with another solo artist is a very different perspective. So you get to learn a lot of things from collaborating with a lot of artists. So madami po akong matututunan.
Sino ba ang musical influences mo?
Mga Justin Bieber, like One Direction, mga pop music naman talaga.
Sample naman ang collab.
Wait,
Namula sila eh.
Baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, I thought you'd always be mine.
Thank you, Gray. Ayan, may sariling tunog din ang ating Justin Bieber dito sa Star Magic. Oh, it's Bailey. Baby, oh. Agaling na ako na naisip talaga si Bailey. Okay, our next question.
Sir Ted,
Hello guys!
Hello po!
So if you're given a chance na makipag-collaborate sa mga YouTube stars, so who would it be? Yung non-ABS, of course.
Oh, Bailey, meron ka bang non-YouTube star that you're a fan of?
PewDiePie?
Okay. Bakit? Bakit siya gusto mong magka-collaborate?
He's funny.
He's funny. So you want your video to be fun, but people are gonna groove to it?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah, okay. Very
And
simple answer.
he has a big following, so people watch
It's
the
gonna
video.
help out your video as well.
Exactly.
You have a big following.
He
So
has
if you guys,
45 million subscribers.
but if you guys collaborate, I'm sure all your fans are also gonna be going crazy over that.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I have an accent when I talk to me, hopefully.